Here we have my 2019 edition toilet, and I made some changes to it, just like a $5 trash can that I found at Target. You can get them at Walmart. So I use this contractor bag so that I can pull everything out of it. This is what we're working with, okay? This is an empty container on the bottom. This is just my poo powder if I need it. And then this is that same bucket I would stick the original bag in to do my business pee if I needed to go number 2. This is a tube. This is my new urine diverter I found off of Etsy, and it came with a threaded thing. This is just from the sprinkler section in Home Depot. I have no idea what it's called. Here the tube is in there and it just connects to the other end of this sprinkling section. And I have not used it yet at all, but this is supposed to go around a 5-gallon bucket, but it fits perfectly in my Target container, and I drilled a hole through this too, but it sits in there, and it would go really well obviously over a 5-gallon bucket because that's what it's made for. If I needed to go number 2, I would just take that piece out and then put the bag in because there's not a whole lot of space there. So it helps if it's level. Okay, good to know. Nice. In order to see how well this works, I'm going to use it in my car tonight. And now for the reveal. Not the whole reveal, don't worry, we won't show all that. I use this, oh, well that's disgusting. Oh my gosh. Nasty. Thank goodness for Clorox wipes. All right. 2019 model toilet with 2022 modification. The urine diverter does not quite work, at least with this cheapo Walmart container. So I will have to get a new container, a more sealed one, and try again. Okay, stay tuned. This is the Rachel in real life toilet 2.0. Okay, I tried it out last night, and unfortunately we had some more leakage. I think I may have discovered the culprit. What's going on here? Well, that's not leaking out. Is it me? Maybe I'm the problem. You know what? Maybe I'm the problem. So, some thoughts about this is it's very long, but it needs more of a bowl on it. That didn't leak out at all. But I do see some liquid up here. This is 1/4 or 1/2 inch TMG number 4. Maybe it's me, dude. I don't freaking know. I think I have some tape, plumbing tape stuff, and I'll tape that up again and get it on there secure, and I have no idea. So let me do that, and I'll just have to try it again tonight. So this is my new catching container, and I spray painted it, and then here's just a see-through thing so I can see what's going on inside. So I thought it was my catching container and maybe it didn't have a good seal on it, so I got one of these rubber grommets to really have a good seal in there. So it does, but it might be me. I might be the problem, okay? I use this band here. I think I might have gotten it at a Container Store forever ago. It's called a garbage bands, and this specific container is the Lustroware. I put this in there like that, and it's just the perfect height and width and everything. And then here you've got the urine diverter tool, and then this back here for number 2 with the bag in there. And I take the supplies out, thankfully I did, with the bag, and then I wrap the bag over and secure it with the band. So if I do put anything in here, it won't drop through into the bag. And then for storage, just put this in there like that, and then add the toilet paper. We're gonna get a look at my bathroom area for those of you who have not been around a while. This is my front seat back, and that is the toilet area. It is all set up, and I am going to use it. Why the heck not? So it's just in between it's in the footwell area on the second row seat. And I poured some water in it. It did not leak. So now I am going to aim into it and see if I do a better job. Hopefully nobody's peeking in the windows, because there are some people kind of close by, but I have my comfy on, so nobody will see anything, hopefully. So I just sit. Ooh. Where's that flashlight? I need to see what's going on in here. Okay, if I do like that, maybe I was doing it totally wrong. Like, maybe I do it from the back. The P thing. Yeah, maybe that's what I need to do. See, I was putting it up front. Oh, but what if then I can't do that? Because what if it goes out the back for some weird reason? Okay. Just gonna have to go ahead and do it. Alright. Sorry about the close-ups, you know. I think where I can feel it, the curve, or my buttocks. Oh, my leg is cramping. Okay, now can I go? Well, maybe that was my problem, is when I would get on it, it was pushing it back. Tilting it back. I just heard a car honk. Let me just take care of business and then we'll get back to you. All right, let me turn up the lights. Brighter. Okay. I don't see any wet. I don't know how well you can see this. Oh, the thing came through. Let me just take this out. Oh, I don't see any wet in there. It was me. It's totally dry. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, the way this is built, see, because here I was trying to use it like that, but I must have, because my situation is not a bucket, you know, so I don't have the bucket and then this on it and then a toilet seat on top of it, so I wouldn't have that problem. But this thing with my setup, I think it was getting pushed back. And see, that's not much of a lip there. That's cool. Yeah, I wish it was now. Not like this, but like this. I'll have to make sure. This is what I was referring to. This piece up here, I could feel up against my buttocks. And so then it's more protected around here. I think that's what I'll have to do, but that's a freaking awesome. Okay, I don't have good aim for like a little funnel into an Nalgene bottle. I already did that. It's too complicated. Like, I have to get out of the bed anyway, and most of the time I'll just go outside at night, but lately at least. But when it's super cold and there's people around, like especially now, I'm not going outside to go to the bathroom, and I'm certainly not walking to the porta potty. Instead of using the bag with the poo powder and everything, that was just a waste of all the bags and the poo powder. So with this, I can just throw it out and not be so wasteful. So anywho, well, figured out the problem was me and the technique, and yeah, I'm digging it. Is it the final setup? I don't think so. If I could find like more of a funnel, a cup, then that would be great. Anyhow, that is all for the Rachel in Real Life camping toilet. I love the rectangular design. Can't get me away from that. Just the urine diverting setup, I might see some improvement. Anywho, please leave any suggestions, constructive criticism below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.